Before you fall asleep tonight, imagine doing one small thing that helps your body heal while you do absolutely nothing. No pills, no workouts, no effort. Just a few drops of oil, and your body takes over from there. Castor oil has been used for centuries, but only recently are people realizing what actually happens when you apply it before bed. From calmer nerves to healthier skin and better digestion, this simple nighttime habit may be doing far more than you think. Let's break down what your body is really doing while you sleep. Number 1, your skin repairs itself more deeply while you sleep. Nighttime is when your body focuses on healing, and your skin is no exception. While you sleep, skin cells regenerate faster, inflammation calms down, and moisture balance is restored. When you apply castor oil before bed, you're giving your skin the perfect environment to do that work. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that penetrates deeply into the skin. Instead of sitting on the surface like many lotions, it slowly absorbs, forming a protective barrier that locks in moisture all night long. This is especially helpful if you deal with dryness, redness, rough patches. Over time, castor oil may also support collagen production, the protein responsible for keeping skin firm and youthful. After a few weeks, many people notice their skin feels softer, looks brighter, and appears more even. Fine lines may look less noticeable, not because the oil erases them, but because deeply hydrated skin reflects light better and looks healthier overall. Number 2, your lymphatic system gets gentle support overnight. Your lymphatic system is your body's cleanup crew. It moves waste, toxins, and excess fluid out of tissues. But unlike your heart, it doesn't have a pump. It relies on movement, breathing, and circulation. When life gets stressful or sedentary, lymph flow can slow down. Applying castor oil to areas like the belly, neck, or underarms, where major lymph nodes are located, may help stimulate gentle lymphatic movement. The act of massaging the oil into your skin increases circulation, while the oil itself may encourage better fluid flow. Many people notice reduced puffiness, less bloating, or a lighter feeling in the morning. This isn't a harsh detox or cleanse. It's subtle, slow, and supportive. Over time, this gentle lymph support can help your body feel less swollen and more balanced. Number 3, pain, tension, and inflammation begin to ease. Castor oil has been used for generations to soothe aches, pains, and inflammation, and nighttime is when it works best. While you sleep, your muscles relax, blood flow improves, and your body focuses on recovery. When you massage castor oil into sore joints, stiff knees, tight shoulders, or cramping areas, its natural anti-inflammatory properties start to take effect. People with arthritis, muscle soreness, or menstrual cramps often find real comfort from castor oil packs applied before bed. The warmth from the oil combined with gentle massage helps relax muscles and improve circulation. Many people wake up feeling less stiff, less sore, and more mobile. It's not an instant fix, but with consistent use, relief can build night after night. Number 4, your gut and digestion get gentle support. Rubbing castor oil on your belly before sleep might sound strange, but many people swear by it for digestion. No, the oil doesn't travel into your stomach. Instead, it works by warming the abdominal area and gently stimulating the nerves and muscles underneath. This can encourage smoother intestinal movement and help relieve feelings of heaviness, bloating, or sluggish digestion. People who struggle with constipation or irregular digestion often notice improvement over time. Think of it like a quiet abdominal massage that works while you rest. By morning, digestion may feel lighter, more regular, and less uncomfortable. Over weeks, this ritual can help support gut rhythm without harsh laxatives or supplements. Number 5, your nervous system shifts into deep relaxation. One of the most powerful but overlooked effects of castor oil is how calming it feels. The act of rubbing warm oil into your skin sends a signal to your nervous system that it's safe to slow down. Applying castor oil to the belly, feet, or lower back can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for rest, relaxation, and recovery. People who do this regularly often say They fall asleep faster, wake up less during the night, and feel more rested in the morning. Beyond the physical effects, there's something deeply grounding about a bedtime ritual. Just like brushing your teeth signals sleep, applying castor oil becomes a cue for your brain to unwind. That consistency alone can improve sleep quality over time. Number 6, hair, brows, and lashes get nourished while you sleep. Castor oil has become famous for hair growth, and for good reason. It's packed with fatty acids and nutrients that help nourish hair follicles and reduce breakage. When applied to eyelashes or eyebrows before bed, castor oil acts like an overnight conditioning treatment. Because you're not touching your face or washing it during sleep, the oil has hours to absorb fully. Over weeks or months, many people notice their lashes look stronger, brows appear fuller, and hair feels healthier. Some even see new growth. The key is patience and consistency. Use a clean brush or cotton swab, apply a small amount, and let time do the work. Number 7, dry, cracked areas finally get deep moisture. Some areas of the body like heels, elbows, knees, and cuticles seem impossible to moisturize. Castor oil is thick, and that's exactly why it works so well. When applied before bed and covered with socks or sleeves, castor oil creates a deep moisture seal that lasts all night. It prevents water loss and allows skin to repair itself from within. Within a week, many people notice cracked heels soften, flaky skin smooths out, and rough patches finally heal. Unlike lightweight lotions that evaporate, castor oil stays put and keeps working long after you fall asleep. So what really happens when you apply castor oil before bed? Your body slows down. It repairs. It balances. While you sleep, your skin heals, your nervous system relaxes, your digestion gets support, and tension begins to release. Castor oil may look simple and even old-fashioned, but its power is quiet and consistent. No expensive tools, no complicated routines. Just a few minutes before bed and a habit your body actually responds to. Try it for a week, or better yet, a month. And if you've already used castor oil at night, let us know in the comments. What did you notice first?